This week, we're going to read stories that are nonfiction. A nonfiction story is also called an expository text. That means all the books you're going to read this week are going to give you information or facts about something. Most of them will be about animals. When you are reading, I want you to look out for the following things. You might see photographs or pictures that are taken by a camera. Some of the pictures might have some labels on it. Do you see how the Statue of Liberty has a label telling you where the torch is, where the crown is of the Statue of Liberty, and what she's holding? She's holding a tablet. That way we know exactly all the parts of whatever the picture is that they're showing us. The last thing you should look out for is something called captions. Captions are pictures and then sentences that tell you a little bit more about the picture that you're seeing. So look out for photographs, labels, and captions as you're reading a nonfiction or expository text. Remember, everything is going to be about real things. Now, today, when we were doing our reading, we decided which one of these books were fiction, that means fake, it's not real, or nonfiction. That is an expository text. That is a real thing. You're going to learn real facts. We said that this story, Frogs, is nonfiction. We know it's nonfiction because there's a real photograph of a frog. We might open it up and learn some information about it. This one has frogs on it, but they are painted. I see that the frog is reading a book, and in real life, frogs don't read books. So I'm going to put this book over here on the fiction side because that is not about a real thing. That is a made-up story. We also looked at this story, I Am Invited to a Party. I see a pig, which a pig is a real-life animal, but that is not a real story. The pig is carrying an envelope and dancing in the street. So this is definitely a fictional story. And last, we have the story about the president. It says, what is the president's job? If we were to open this up, we would probably learn about all the different jobs every president has had. We'd probably see real pictures and real things. So this is going to go under the nonfiction side. This is also an expository text. So when you're reading your stories this week, I want you to look for all the things that make your story a nonfiction or an expository text.